Okay, so after our adventures to the Walmart McDonald's, we wanted to do something else that was goofy and funny. And we thought the best idea for us to go next is fucking train spotting. If you don't know what train spotting is, it's when you go around your town or city or anything, the place you live, and just fucking find trains, you know? Is standing at the railroad tracks and just wait for a train to go by, you know? We also get into some other shenanigans throughout the video, so buckle up, because this video is fucking insane.
Hello?
Okay, so this first part, it was just me and Nathan that day. We had fuck all to do, so we tried the train spotting out. Just so, you know, when we do it with the boys, it's perfect. And just watch the clip, bro. It's so sad. Yo! Where's my car? Where's my car? My car. We're gonna miss it. Oh. Get in! Fuck! We're gonna miss the train. Where's the key? Fuck! No! Shit! Wait for it. Anime car. Fuck! We're gonna miss it. Oh fuck, the speed limit is 50. We're gonna miss it. Fuck! Shit! Oh fuck, it's so hot in here. Why is it so hot in here? Oh, that's because I have the heat cranked. Shit! Fuck! Catch the train, quick! We're going to the train! Fuck, we're gonna miss it! Fuck! No! Not the train. No, is there construction going on that road? Shit! No, there better not be construction. We need to get the train. You need to make it. Holy shit! We're gonna miss the fucking train! We're gonna miss the Team Fortress 2 train. Oh, fuck. Fuck. It's through the trees. Oh, bumpy road? Where's the bumps? Oh, okay. Right there. Is there construction here? What is going on? Is there construction here? What is going on? Is there construction here? Is that a Lexus IS 300? Is that a Lexus IS 300? Is that a Lexus IS 300? Holy fuck, they have it buried. They have that Lexus IS 300 buried in the snow. That's not very awesome for a Lexus. We missed the train! Fuck! God damn it! We almost had it!
Go on the tracks.
Okay. Wait. I have the railway truck. We got rails on this bitch. We got wheels that can go on the track. Fuck.
God damn it.
We missed the fucking train. I'm pissed. If only we left a little sooner. We should have just left right as soon as lunch. Fuck. I can't believe we missed the train.
Was there a train?
We missed it.
Fuck.
There's not another one coming.
Where's another railway?
I don't know. Take me to the Wonderland. Take me anywhere I want. Oh, fuck. Let's scout. Make sure that there's no feasible way a train can come through here in this time. The CIA wants you to think that trains come at night. They can actually come during the... Oh, fuck!
Hi.
Alright, so basically, my school was making the yearbooks, and there was an email sent out to everyone saying if they wanted their car in the yearbook to send a little photo to the email of their car, you know? And so, me, Nathan, and Grayson just, decide to fuck with them and just send, like, the most, like, stupid fucking cars. Like, fucking Family Guy car, Lightning McQueen, a fucking car that just, like, crashed and it's on fire, just, like, the whole shebang. But then fucking Nathan finds this gif of a futuristic drone car called the Airbus. And, it's the funniest fucking thing ever.
So stupid. Stupid. Oh, awesome. So much. I killed him. What do I say for this?
I want to see it in your feed.
This is.
It might take a while to send because it's a kid. New car, y'all. This is the one I've been hoping for. I love this Mercedes.
This one I've been saving up for.
One I've been saving up for. Yeah.
Classic.
Classic. Can't get over it.
I hope they put these in the yearbook.
They just lit up this entire section.
We're awesome. We're the funniest people in the building, I think.
Oh yeah,
We're awesome.
my car picture of the yearbook. Fender bender. Haha, oopsies. Got a replacement sports car. I'm all good. My parents bought me a new car for my birthday. This is what I've been saving up for, though.
It's a word. So stupid. Only 8:58.
Oh, they could put this in the yearbook. I sent a still in it.
Alex,
Yo, holy boys,
that's Alex McDowell.
Oh, holy boys, you don't have cars. Give it a rest.
Yes, we do. When the automated reply says, yes, we do.
Yes, we.
Yeah, boo-boo. It's a real car. You see the first one? That guy killed the deer?
They're real cars.
They're real. They're real. They're actual cars. I just hope they get put in the yearbook. That'd be so awesome.
Airbus in the yearbook.
Yeah, you saw it?
Airbus.
It's so terrible.
I love the Airbus.
It's
so cool.
It's cool because it's not real.
It's never gonna be real.
It's a concept. This is great.
Yes, only boys who don't have cars give a rest. But I'm gonna give you the sports car about the other one.
Thank you, Benjamin. Legend.
Henry!
Yeah, babe.
You gotta start from the bottom.
Okay, sorry.
Bulldozer.
Yeah. My parents this is what I've been saving up for though. But I'm looking
Yeah, we do it.
Yes, we
You guys are
did.
idiots. They really shouldn't have done that. Like, that's
What did they think was gonna
What were
happen?
they expecting?
Who?
yeah, no, he just, they're trying to like get pictures for the yearbook. Like, they're trying to do something like normal, but everyone's like I think this person actually put a picture
I
of
hope
their
more
car.
people do it.
That's not somebody who
That's
drives
such
a
a stupid looking car.
really
Stupid looking.
Someone drives a lifted truck.
Tell them
That's
that's
a little
stupid.
truck with an underglow, a hot pink
That's
Really?
horrible.
That is terrible. It looks like a Fisher Price toy.
You would bring him like an Airbus.
It's funny because it's not real. It's a concept, and it will never be real.
Well, never say never.
You don't know that.
Never say
DJ.
never.
50 years from now?
So fucking stupid.
It's real footage. Look, if you look at the details,
There's a person in there.
This wasn't like in Blender or anything. This is real footage.
This is real.
This is the cool part.
Yeah, look, do you not see the background?
Look at that city.
Look at that beautiful sky.
And he's fake a city. What an awesome vehicle.
You reply all in, yeah, we know. Say, yeah, we know, smiley. Designated day to go into the parking lot and take the photos ourselves. Thank you, Cassidy. I love you, Cassidy. Thank you. Weird.
Oops, forgot.
Oopsies.
My bad, dog.
My bad. Hope she does.
I hope I open up the other door. And there's an Airbus in
It says Nathan Beach right above it.
and they somehow developed the technology to put it in
Fly all in. Fly all
They put a
in.
tablet on the
Sorry,
yearbook.
it's a
One of the pages is a really thin tablet where they put the GIF on.
It's like a punk, like comic.
It's like, you just realize what I said.
Yeah.
One of the pages is a
Disgusting.
tablet.
And then it's just like,
When they send it to everyone's mailboxes, you know how they like fold it and they shove it in your mailbox? It's just like shattered.
that's awesome.
Little pieces of glass.
I honestly can't wait to see.
If it's not Airbus.
I hope at least
Airbus will definitely get it.
Airbus is definitely real. It's real. It's out there.
Get an Andrew Tate car, like one of those GTA cars.
Just another Bugatti.
Oh yeah, I've seen the
you can't
footage.
fake
It's a
that shit.
real car.
You think they have lighting technology that realistic?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? No way you can do that.
They have the technology.
They don't though.
Yes, they do.
They don't have the tech to fake that.
Yeah, they do.
Okay? You saw the realism there.
It's not. It's real.
It's not a 3D.
You can't fake
It's
that
not an
shit.
animation. It's real.
Oh yeah.
Don't get my hopes down. Airbus is real.
No, yeah, I'm sorry. It's real.
Airbus is real.
Fucking Airbus! Okay, so the next part, we were at lunch that same day, and Nathan had to leave so he could file his mother's taxes. And at first we were just gonna stay behind, but then he thought of the idea of us coming with him, and we all thought that was funny, so we just decided to go. And on the way, we found Coleman and Taylor, and they tagged along as well. We had a little caravan to file Nathan's taxes.
Who is that man? What's that? Who's that? Where is he going?
Yeah. What?
No, you have to do that.
Wall.
My goodness.
What?
I know, but it'd be really funny.
The creatures. I love how we're just going to do taxes. That's hilarious.
Nathan's mom's tax returns. Oh yeah.
In the vehicle. True.
Yo, Bluetooth device is ready to fail.
Your Bluetooth device
Is ready to
is
fail.
ready to pair.
My new earbuds kind of do that. They're like, Bluetooth device connected.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Telling me you put Aaron Yeager in your car?
I did, yeah. Here, let's hear it again. Here, let's hear a different car company. Porsche.
Porsche.
What else is there?
Oh, they got big ass doors. What the hell?
Wheelchair.
Like nine foot tall man.
Mercedes Benz.
I would the bike. Oh my god, it's him.
Excuse me, the white devils are here. The crackers.
The white devil. Oh, I'll kill this white devil.
The Yakubian devils are here. Even.
Oh shit, dog.
I
Play
do.
it for
A what?
Subaru.
We're chilling.
White boy here. Tracker here.
Have you heard Subaru yet? Can you play Subaru again for these men?
Can you change it to like a fart noise?
Fucking press sound effect.
Please. Make it so your horns in front of you.
Don't run my foot over.
You want to hear something fucking awesome? Yeah. Listen to this.
Powered by Subaru.
Fucking anime car, bro.
What is that? Look at the anime car.
It's fucking awesome. Oh yeah.
Hamburger.
Oh, pussy.
Mac Whopper.
Sunday is on the belt.
On this on the belt.
Oh, Curlies, the tabernacle.
What are you saying to me? Tabernacle?
Owen Wallace, is that him?
Don't mess with me, cause I'm a gangster. I'm the best rappers ever. Bitch, I love you. I'm young and you are. You start right as well.
Really funny. Just drive right into the river. Look at all that water. That's water. No, okay, we're going this way. Awesome. Wait till we're right in front of a house. Is it Coleman behind us or what?
Yeah,
yeah. Okay. Oh, well now we're in housing, so I can't throw it out. No, it'd be funny.
Someone's there.
Wait till we find an open window. Sasuke 4?
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
There's 4?
Holy fuck. It's like Ram Ranch. There's like 500 of them. Wait, are we all going in?
No, I'm just gonna go in.
I hate to say it. I think I know who might be showing up right here soon. Like, oh yeah, beware if you open the door.
Yeah. Where's Logan?
Oh, I'm on DNA real quick. I've got like $5. I have $5.
Throwing out an apple.
Yeah, I might too. Alright. Fucking side quest. Yo, it's our side quest.
Wait, raspberry.
Babies. Where are we going? Compliment soda? Box 70. Two. Good. We're all good. They all die? Okay. Oh, crazy boy. Just box 70. Box 70. Are you getting anything new, Taylor? Box 70. Okay. Yo. Oh my I saw him walk in. Each one of these is $1.70. Isn't that crazy? Who? These $1.70.
Who told you?
I just went buying them. They're $1.70.
So, Jesus, for both? Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Like, that's a bargain.
0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 carbs.
Just got the apple
sodium. Yeah, with the apple, like even.
Bro, someone's getting fired. Someone is getting
It does
fired.
have aspartame, right?
That's fine. You don't need to worry.
Aspartame, it's like sweetener, so it's basically sugar, but there's more.
Don't need.
There's like 10 times more of it in steak than there is in that.
Bro, someone is getting fired. Someone is getting fired.
Nathan's probably like waiting for it.
Yeah, we should probably.
Look in there. Look over there.
Oh, it's Logan Lynn. Where is he?
She's busting a move over there.
I'm sorry, what the hell am I watching? Get your ass over my damn face, boy. What am I watching here?
Is this Lego City?
Yes.
Eggs. Hey. Oh yeah.
Who are you, Grace?
You ain't ready for these bags.
Fortnite. Oh.
Yes,
You know you want them. Get your V-Bucks ready. Yeah. Fortnite bars all in your face. Fortnite bars all in your face. Unlock them.
Good job. Good job.
Fuck you. Don't do that. No, that's fucking. God, I hate wrong people. That's Fortnite balls. Sussy,
The more times I know I'm gonna be death by
It gets more and more
bro.
insane each time.
Bro, you ride with Coleman enough times you're gonna be death by like next year.
Oh yeah.
You have to read from the morpher's bag. Yeah, that's what makes you a death back there. Great. Be like, yeah, get the person driving the fucking street on masks that come out and turn you.
It's so funny too. Whenever people are tailing me, I just like turn up a really bassy song. I just slowly back off. This man is. Oh, this is so bad.
Oh, fuck.
Get in the windows like
The cartoon one.
Bro, it's going after.
We'll miss you.
Taylor left the shit in there, I think.
No, that's why whenever you ride with Coleman, as soon as he stops and you're getting out, grab your stuff with you.
Hold on, let me get on the line with him.
Yeah, get this man on the phone. Get this man on the phone. That's why I was chasing. Bro!
Are they coming back?
No.
No, they'll be back.
Stuff back.
Bring back.
All right, Taylor, he says no. What do you want to do about this?
Tell him he offers him a Skittle.
Tell him I'll reveal the dick pics.
What the fuck?
I'll give you some of my aspartame.
Of his dick pics and one Skittle.
And my aspartame.
What was that?
What did you say?
This fucking.
This fucking
He
guy.
robbed me.
You just took our friend and your crap. Yeah. That's rude.
Alright.
Get on the horn with him. We have to go.
Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. Okay.
What time is it? Hold on.
Yo, the
Tractor? Bro, I'm calling this bitch again. I don't know why he's back on the horn with the guy. That's what I'm trying to do. Hostage negotiations. You better come back to the school, bro. There's a fucking tractor here.
Come on, man.
Is
that fucking Aiden Pumpkin? Yeah? That's Pumpkin.
How about this? $5 and you can kick the shit out of Taylor.
Whoa. That's a good deal.
No!
It requires sacrifice.
here.
He's my shield. You want my shield as well?
Wait, what do you want?
I'm a lawyer, not a shield.
What?
Okay, sacrifices need to be made. For the greater good, man. Sacrifices.
And now it all comes down to this. Will we find a train? Or will we, yet again, come back empty-handed?
He's in the thug shaker. Where's Nathan?
Oh, look at him.
Oh, yeah, so I'm not my father.
We're grilling. Where's that white man? Where is he?
No! Is that the one guy from the reserves?
Is it Coleman? Oh my god.
Alex. Coleman saying he has a friend. Is this that one guy from the reserves? Yeah.
Yes. Who the fuck is Coleman? Logan Lynn, leader of the Kendall.
How do we echo this?
Call Coleman. You guys I can smell a cracker. Where is he?
If Coleman's a cracker, I don't see his vehicle. Oh, let's. Yeah, watch him not be in the parking lot.
Probably at the railway.
What about Whitey?
At the railway. My car recaught.
Nah, no grilling.
Okay, where are you there? You said you're stranded. Railway. Boys, I'm not going to
Railway. No way. He ain't that fast. He must be at the railway. So you're good?
Huh? Cuz, where else would he be?
The track, bro.
Who we strapping up?
No, you guys can squeeze in the back.
No, I'm not fucking squeezing.
No, alright, cool.
Skinniest people in the back.
Yeah, Kingston's the smallest. You feel your fucking bulgy mold in your back of your ass.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, eat the rails?
Strategy.
Oh, shit. Train come by yet?
Your train spot?
How much are hot dogs? How much are hot dogs?
I have 0 bow bucks.
Alright, that's cool. I will grab them if I have to.
I have like 20 cents.
What's the method? What's the method?
Alright, cool. Thank you.
Let's go back to the gym.
Okay, thank you.
What's the method?
Alright, bye-bye.
Go back to the cab. What's the method here? I say the method. Going back to the cab.
You can eat in the car.
Alright, fine. We'll chill in the cab tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine. We'll do this for 3 of us. Love you.
Alright, cool. I kind of want to go to the rails.
I don't want to go to the rail.
Careful. Don't hit the car.
Don't try not to.
Don't hit it. If you do, I swear to God.
Oh.
I swear to God.
Put on Death Grips Hacker.
Oh, you want that?
Death Grips Hacker.
What's that?
Death Grips Hacker.
Here, I'll cue.
Well, that's not even playing through speakers, just playing through the headphones.
Smell them. That's quite nice. It's vanilla. Without your love.
Turn up.
playing with little
buddies.
little babies and children. Peace and love. Peace and love. Woo. Gang, gang.
What's going on?
Are you guys grilling out here? What the hell? Woo.
Isn't this funny how I'm rolling back and then stopping? I know, right? What? What?
Oh, yeah, my brakes seized.
Oh, that's awesome.
What does that mean? Brake no work?
Crush my fucking knee.
Alright, we got 4 hot dogs. Oh my god. Oh, there's like one. Look at that beautiful sea. Oh my god.
Jump
Look at that
in, jump
beautiful.
in, jump in.
Look at that beautiful view.
Look at the beautiful view of plastic bags.
Yo,
Listen to the birds sing.
the fucking orange crush.
Stop making out.
Real stuff. I got a MFing grill.
Oh, we grilling.
Cooked all 4 of them.
We grilling.
Yo, actual trash. Let's go.
Yo, there's like some feasting in there. For sure.
Let's go.
Sure. Where's the train? I came here for trains.
There's no trains on the tracks. I'll be on the tracks.
I'm a professional. My time is valuable. Okay. I see a train here. What was that? Came here to see local.
Oh yeah, we did this the other day. They turned on for a second.
What'd you do?
You need 2 people.
Yeah, here. Taylor, help me. Help me, Taylor.
What do you?
Come on, here. You get that in, you push, and I pull. Ready?
Oh.
Here, ready? Wait. Come on, you can get 2. Come on. Oh, fuck. We need to get the angle. We need the method.
What are you trying to do? So I can like make it go. You just like lift it up.
We need the method.
Damn. I cracked it over the method. Probably not.
Oh!
I'll be the first. I'll be the first.
Are you guys consuming the meat?
Yeah. All of it.
Then eat it now. It's already been cold for 10 minutes.
Okay, sure. You can take a fun?
No, I'm just gonna eat it.
I'm good.
It's a vibe.
Railway, like, track switch key that lets you So you see down there, there's switches in the tracks?
Let you switch the fucking track?
Yeah, there's a lock. I'm looking at getting a key that lets me unlock. I need to bring binoculars. I can't fucking...
Here, want my glasses?
Yes.
But the man's glasses would help. Are you excited?
That hurts.
It's like the blurry eye.
Yeah.
What?
Only put your glasses
Yeah.
on.
The head-searing pain of wearing someone else's glasses.
Wait, on just on top?
Yeah, I don't need glasses. I'm normal.
That actually helps. That sucks. Oh man, my eyes are getting worse.
You can see the teleports.
Yeah, that's better when. That's way better when I have those on. Shit. Wait, it's blurry when I just. It's blurry when I just have these when I combine them.
Fucking doubling the
When I
power.
fucking combo them, it's fine.
Just wear 2 pairs then.
That's not you, wait, that's your 65.
When I combo them, it's perfectly clear. But when I just have one, it's like blurry.
Yay! Oh,
Just destroying trees.
fuck here. Fuck your trees.
Where's this from?
Dots over here. What the fuck? What'd you do?
What the hell? Oh.
It's normal again.
No, it was upside down. It was fucking upside down a second ago. Like this.
Dots.
I should tear that off and take it.
I think I'm allowed to take that.
Well, who the fuck goes down here? Like 3 people?
Watch it, plastic. Well, we can definitely take that off. Rumbo. Climb up there.
I'll break it halfway up.
Immediately.
Conductor! Yeah! He's conducting himself.
Actually wrong. I mean, he's conducting himself. That is
We good. What if some liberals like, you know, you can leave our finger, then we get to call them. We chase them off with sticks. Like this one.
I don't know who that would work.
I love you.
No!
Oh, good.
Strap that to the top of the car, take it back to school.
Dark Souls.
Yo, that's
I have
hard.
an ultra great sword. I'm gonna kill Gwyn, Lord of Cinder. It's a goblin. It's fucking heavy. Holy shit.
It's a tree, what do you mean? You're gonna get fucking electrocuted. You're gonna start leaning back.
Harry Potter.
Jesus, you almost fucking took me out with that one.
I could kill
Actual special ed kid.
I could kill many women with this.
It's funny.
It's funny. That could kill a child. Wingardium Leviosa.
Just chuck it into the river.
Oh my god.
Wingardium Leviosa.
He's shortening the stick.
What's the death one? The one that kills you?
That's the
It's like, yeah.
Avril Lavigne.
Voldemort goes, yeah. Before he says
It's called Gangnam Style.
Get on your ass. I almost was fucking dying, bro.
Gangnam Style.
Actual special ed classroom.
Fire.
Holy fuck. You actually almost killed people.
I only put points into strength and autism.
Got it.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Damn. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that?
Go get it.
Don't collect it, it's a rare item.
It's a fucking exotic item, man. You have to trade that. You have to trade that in for 5 doubloons.
You need that to upgrade your armor.
Yo, there's some yummy ass fruits over here, bro.
What?
There's some yummy ass fruits.
Yummy.
Right here.
I want to put them in my milk.
There's a whole bunch of them. Jesus, look it.
Those little balls you look at?
Collecting. What the fuck are those?
I don't know.
They look like spider eggs.
Like a fucking caterpillar coming out of it. You got gold. It's stuck under a rock. Where the fuck is
Pick up the rock then, retard.
integration. You might be able to see a train, and that would be
Put this big ass log on the railroad.
Come myself.
You're gonna come, stop. What if the train doesn't come with a fucking Airbus? Just like
Go to the Airbus slowly descend.
rare ass rock. Rare ass rock. That's a weird looking train. We should have hopped on.
I love you.
Damn, this shit looks. This shit's beautiful.
Oh my shit.
What the? What kind of reaction is that?
Oh my god. Is it a train? It's a train. It's not. It's not a train. It's that.
I'll find out real quick. I'll find out.
Quickly. You got 20 seconds.
That was way louder than this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do it again.
It's coming. Yay far.
Spell yay far. Like this, yay.
It's way
More than 3 feet.
If we're like yay,
3
this
whole
is like
feet.
yay.
We're not gonna hear the horn anyway.
our point? It's way fucking loud. If they're going slow. Hold on, do this.
Aw.
Let's go! Trains! Holy shit! Trains! This is fucking epic! Okay, now drive onto the tracks and chase it. Trains! Spaceship, bro.
That hurts.
Trains!
That hurts.
Trains!
That guy was windy. He was like,
Trains!
The whole way by his own.
Dude, I was like,
the guy waved at us. I was far.
yeah.
We spun.
Feel the rails with the
I saw a train with the guys. That was a short ass train too, eh?
Yeah.
It was still worth it.
Nothing
Hell
is
yeah.
better than this.
Violators will be shot and killed.
Are they hot? Kinda. Here's the other side.
Are they hot? Are they hot? Are they hot and juicy and thick and wet? Is there another train? Stop saying that. You're making me
Horny.
Actually, that might be until 30.
Oh, really?
It's all windy and nice now.
Boys, do you want to stay till 12:30?
What the fuck?
What's what?